Hi, my name is Paul Gittani and I'm the Director of Transform Water. In this video, I'm going to be addressing the very common question, why is there water spraying out of the top of my rainwater tank? If you live in a new estate or your home was recently built, there's a good chance that you'll have a slim poly or steel tank on the side of your house or at the rear of your home. If that's the case, you might have a pump system that looks something like this. This here is the controller for the pump system, which sits inside the rainwater tank. If you're noticing that there is water coming out of the top of your tank and it's spraying, and you notice especially that it's spraying when you go to use the toilet or washing machine or even the garden taps that the system is hooked up to, there is a fault, and that fault is commonly attributed to the lack of maintenance or an incorrect installation procedure or a manufacturer's product fault. The pump control system usually has a cover on it that looks like this. If you're noticing that water is leaking from the side or spraying out excessively, then the problem that you've got is something that we can fix for you. Remove the lid and you'll find you might have either one or two filter caps. Inside the lid I just removed are some easy maintenance steps that you can take on your own, usually without special tools. You will need to be careful because you might need to get up on a ladder. Power off the pump by pulling out the plug from the wall, and you'll find that there's two valves that are here which you can shut off by hand. Remove the cap and you'll find that the problem is usually this black O-ring here, or this cap itself has split. More seriously, this plastic body can split as well. That might split as a result of excessive UV exposure if the lid isn't set on properly, or a sudden change in temperature. Inside this hole that's here is a filter. Now this one's been cleaned, but you can pull it out by hand, rinse it under a tap and then put it back inside. It's important to be careful when you're taking this cap off and also putting it back on that you don't break the thread that this cap slips onto. This lid can then be put back on if it's not cracked, and you can tighten that by hand after you've followed the steps inside the UV cover. If the water is spraying out even after this, it's because there is a crack somewhere or even a loose fitting. You can contact us for more information or to book in a tank service and we can get that fixed for you. Please remember that with this pump system, it's important that you don't tamper with it or deviate from the manufacturer's specification on maintenance. You can damage the pump permanently if you do. Sometimes the leak that's coming out of here will be persistent even when you're not using the water. If it is, there's a good chance that there's a catastrophic fault of some kind, and in that case you might have to replace the pump system. The filter that I just returned to this gets blocked up because the tank builds up with dirt at the bottom. That dirt comes in as dust on the roof of the house, and when it rains, that water washes that dirt into the bottom of the tank. This filter does need to be cleaned regularly, whether you have one or two. If you need more information on this, please get in touch with us via our website.